What's going on, traders? So it's currently 10:28 a.m. in the morning. It's Thursday, May 28th. My recording software wasn't working this morning, but today was a very interesting trading day. I'm finishing up the day around $64, which is really good. Today was pretty hectic, so let's dive into it. The first trade I took was on what was it on? But I don't know if I took two or three trades on a couple stocks, but the first trade I took was 10 shares short on COHR Coherent. And this is a very thinly traded in terms of volume. That means not that many people are trading it. So off 10 shares, I lost $65 because it just popped out of nowhere. And I was watching another stock while this was happening. I was in another trade, but essentially the stock was down almost like 5-6% on the day, but it kind of made its way back up off some bad earnings. So that was that trade. And then the big kind of winner and the trade I want to discuss is off Dollar Tree, where I'm up $148. I traded a lot. I traded 355 shares of this stock, and this is no doubt the hottest stock in the market for today. It's up around 10%, 12% because of good earnings. And my theory is if you take a look at the daily chart over here, in the past, let's see, 5/18 on May 18th, 10 days ago, the stock closed at $78. Right now it's trading at $98. So this daily chart is just shoots straight up, and that's way too extended. The people who purchased the stock think it would want to go up in price, they have a massive profit. So they want to sell their stock to lock in their profits. My kind of role in this ecosystem is to provide them that liquidity to take those profits. So what I do is I short the stock to kind of transfer that liquidity, and I make the money when the stock sells off a little bit. And that's what I was doing. But the stock today was super, super hot, and the stock just kept going higher and higher. And what I did was I kept kind of dollar cost averaging, in the sense I kept adding to my short position to kind of raising my average price. And what I was looking for was a pullback for people to take profits, and that's exactly what happened. As you see, I kept adding in. So now I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. Each candle represents a 5-minute kind of length of trading. As the stock kept going up and up and up, I kept adding to the position. Now, in hindsight, that probably wasn't the best idea, but if you look at the daily chart, it's just so extended. It's not sustainable. It has to come down. And so I kept adding, and then this right here, this little window right here, these 3 bars, that 15 minutes of trading was when I started to sell off into that downwards momentum. And that allowed me to net on the day on the stock $148 in profit. This is a riskier strategy because what you're doing is you're shorting against or into the momentum. So the stock is going up and you're thinking it's going to go down, and you're scalping the profits the sense that are going down. So it's pretty risky in the sense that everyone's going forward and you're trying to go backward. But that's essentially how I made my money on this stock today. And I just remembered the first stock I traded was Boeing. I took 10 shares short of it. I think it might have been long. This was like super early in the morning, but I'm down $19.22 on the day on that. But all in all, I guess the biggest lesson and the biggest takeaway is shorting into momentum, and the fact that if you see a daily like this where it's just rips up and up and up, that's not sustainable. People need to take profits, and there has to be a pullback. And if you want to, I view it as offering services. If you want to offer your service to help them lock in their profits, by all means, short the stock, provide them that liquidity because you think that you could profit on the way going down. And that's what I did. So overall, it's May 28th, Thursday, 10:30. I'm up $64 on the day. That's incredible. Yesterday, I made $34, and Tuesday, I lost 14. So I'm up a lot on the week. If you like this video, please leave a like. Click the like button. It helps me out. It helps the YouTube algorithm pick up on the video so other people can see it. Comment down below what you traded if you had a red or a green day. And of course, subscribe to my channel because every subscription for me is another step on my journey to financial freedom. That said, I will see you tomorrow.